Hi, this is Don McAllister, and welcome to another Screencast Online tip video. As you may already know, I've switched from Safari to Arc for my day-to-day browser. This is for many reasons, but I really like the ability to have multiple spaces and organize all of my tabs on the side rather than across the top. I've already covered a lot of Arc features in previous shows. Just search for Arc on the Screencast Online website or in the Members app. One feature I've really missed in Arc is the ability to autocomplete two-factor authentication codes from iMessage. It's only when you don't have this feature do you realize just how useful it is, and the absence of it in Arc is probably a deal breaker for most people who may have considered switching across. Well, the good news is that you can replace this mechanism by the installation of a Chrome browser extension called Faktor, along with a simple Mac app. Now, before we look at Faktor, let's take a look at installing a common Chrome extension, 1Password. So this is the Arc browser, and it's based on the Chromium engine, and as such it has full support for Chrome extensions, all of which are available from the Chrome Web Store. To get to the Chrome Web Store, we can access it from here. If we go to Extensions and Add Extension, because I have no extensions installed, it takes me directly to the Chrome Web Store. Let's go ahead and search for 1Password. And we'll just go for 1Password Password Manager, click on the extension, and we'll say Add to Chrome. Now, I already have 1Password installed on this particular Mac. I'm going to go ahead and say Add Extension. And there we go. And then there's a process now of actually configuring 1Password. Because I've already got my desktop password instance installed, it's picked up that I have an account on this machine. I can just say Done. And I won't learn to save and fill. I'll just say I'm all set. And again, I'm all set. Okay, so now I have the 1Password extension installed. I can get access to the extension by going to this icon here, the Site Control Center. Click on here. You'll see there is an option here for extensions, and there is 1Password. Now I can pin this if I want. If I just click on the pin icon, that will now appear. If I click away, I can see 1Password here. I can just click on this icon to get direct access to the 1Password app, and also for Arc integration as well. If you want to, if I go to here, you can go down to Extensions and say Manage. And that takes you to this panel which shows you all the extensions that you've installed within the Arc browser. I can go in and have a look at the Chromium engine details. I can change some of the other parameters, etc. If I just go back out of here, I can remove it from here, or I can disable the extension as well. To get additional extensions, I can go to the Chrome Web Store, and that takes me back to the main page where I can go in and start searching for various extensions. Now, the only other two extensions I use on a regular basis, as well as Faktor, are Grammarly. So this is the AI Writing and Grammar Check app. Now, this is a paid-for service, but I do find a lot of use for using Grammarly while I'm especially writing within web apps, etc. And the other extension I use is one called Albi, which is a Bitcoin wallet for Lightning and Nostra. Again, I won't go into a great deal of detail, but this is really good in that you have your own web-based Bitcoin or Lightning wallet that you can integrate with other web services. I won't go into that for now. Let's go ahead and have a look at Faktor. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.